Welcome to this complete guide on network design using CISCO Packet Tracer, your step-by-step journey from beginner concepts to advanced networking solutions. In this video, we will explore how to build and simulate efficient, real-world network architectures using one of the most powerful tools for learning computer networks. Whether you are a student, a networking enthusiast, or preparing for a professional certification, this tutorial will give you the practical knowledge needed to design and troubleshoot networks with confidence. We'll start with the fundamentals, understanding the user interface, adding devices like routers, switches, and end-user systems, and configuring basic settings. Then, we'll progress to more advanced topics such as virtual local area network segmentation, routing protocols, dynamic host configuration, and network address translation. Throughout the video, you'll see practical demonstrations, real-time configurations, and useful tips that replicate how networks operate in real-life scenarios. By the end of this session, you'll have a solid grasp of designing scalable and secure networks using CISCO Packet Tracer, enabling you to move one step closer to becoming a skilled network engineer.